What is up, YouTube? It's been a while since nag-upload tayo. Huling upload ko, yung show day pa. Pero sobrang tagal pa bago na-upload yun after ng show day talaga. Pero we did. So nakita nyo naman kung ano yung mga na-achieve natin at saka yung kung ano yung mga naganap during the show. So again, sabi ko nga, nag-enjoy lang tayo doon. Ginawa lang din natin kung ano yung dapat. Hindi naman tayo lumabas ng basa. Nag-enjoy lang, finil ko lang yung vibe. So that's actually the goal. Pero thanks God kasi we're able to, bag some places sa mga category na nilaruan natin. And to God all be the glory for that. And yep, after that, nag-bench eating. Ito quick life update lang after the show. Nag-bench eating, kinain yung mga cravings. To sum it up, nakain ko naman yung mga cravings ko, yung mga gusto ko na ulam. Na-bloat ako. I can, share my screen, the picture after. So, well, gano'n naman, pagka after ng show, di ba? For me, siguro, normal yun. I don't want it to be normalized, pero kasi mali yun. Pero siguro normal kasi yun na, alam mo yun, na magbo-bloat ka after mo kain din yung mga cravings mo. So nag-bloat ako, nagbawi kami, naghabol kami sa cardio kasi meron pa akong pinaghahandaan na upcoming show this July. And yeah, after a day or two, na ibalik natin yung kondisyon natin. Tapos, ngayon mas not so pressured pero mas madiin yung ensayo after that first show. Lahat on track, lahat pukpukan, cardio, still non-negotiable yung walks, yung step, yung calories. Same as the intensity of the workout, yung di naman nagbago. Ano pa ba? Yeah. And currently, we're 3 weeks out. Almost going to 2 weeks out from the show. Today is June 14. I don't know kung kailan ko ma-upload to. Pero yeah. Almost there. 2 weeks out. How many days na lang. And, kamusta ba ako? Yeah. Tormented. Physically, mentally, pero spiritually we're 110%, so thanks God. Still working on, still loving and embracing the process, enjoying it. Sabi nga, it's actually a love and hate process wherein you love or you hate the process, but you gotta embrace it kasi you're locked in. While on the other side, you love the result. So, yep, wala tayong I'm not complaining at all, pero that's how it is. Yun talaga ang type of build nitong sports na to. And masaya ako sa pain, enduring the pain. Masaya ako sa proseso. Thank you sa coach ko, kay Stan, sa girlfriend ko, sa mga tropa na naniniwala, sa mga gym bros, salamat sa inyo. For 3 weeks out, didiin pa tayo, update ko kayo. Magpasok ako ng mga clips ng mga ensayo natin, and yep, thank you Lord for everything. We're still doing good. Yun lang, quick life update. Ayun pa, sa loob nitong 3 weeks start, we're able to meet yung mga idols natin. Oh my God, sobrang saya ng puso. Woo! As in, alam mo yun, fanboy talaga. Na-meet natin si Gerald at saka si Jester, Vaso Brothers, Vaso Athletics, Gerald Vaso is all the way from UK, from if I'm not mistaken, and he won his IFBB Pro title recently. So congrats, my bro. Idolized you. You inspired me, and you did a great job. Congrats. And to your bro Jester, abangan ko yung title mo this coming season. Sobrang idol ko sila, na-meet ko sila in a flesh. Sabi ko nga, napapanood ko lang sila or fina-follow ko lang sila sa IG. And yung story nila, yung business venture nila, grabe. So sobrang palad natin na na-meet natin sila in flesh. We're able to share some tips and tricks and magkaroon ng opportunity din to basta marami exciting moments meeting them. And sobrang grateful ako sa mga ginagawa ng Lord sa buhay ko ngayon, and salamat lahat. Walang sa akin dito. Lahat ng to ay palamuti lang. It all comes from the Lord. So to God all be the glory. Yun lang. Pasok tayo ng clip, ensayo, and 3 weeks out, tingnan natin kung kaya pa natin mag-record sa mga susunod kahit na very low ang energy. Maraming salamat sa mga susunod na clips at vlogs. Peace.
slide, call it two-seat. Yo, bitch, she a fan, I might have her shoot a movie. I got her in a trance when she's smoking on the blue cheese. Yeah, I be counting on my commas. I was down bad, now millions digging lobster. Forget what you had, I'ma take it even further. Forget about the past, I ain't worried about imposters. Yeah, I be counting up the bankroll. Stack my money up, I'ma treat it like some Legos. Pour me up a dose, pour lean inside my Fago. Emotions on the loose, when I met you it was case closed. Yeah, I got like 8 hoes, and now I got a great though. They love the way I make though, you know I'm moving way bro. Every time I talk I got the wagon talking negro. Shadow with a partner on my top, I guess it's fake ho. Need a foreign with a two-seat. Chopper make them dance, make them slide, call it two-seat. Yo, bitch, she a fan, I might have her shoot a movie. I got her in a trance when she's smoking on the blue cheese. Yeah, I need me a belly truck.